Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today we're going to tour 3415 East Adair in Hoosier Acres. We're close to Indiana University, and this 1950s mid-century modern has been thoroughly updated. Let's take a look. Let's take a thorough tour of this architectural renovation. This 1950s house has been opened up. So you have an entertaining kitchen with island. I love the professional appliances, under-counter appliances, beautiful stone, and this circular plan continues to a dining area or a study, screen patio, then living area, powder room, and circular right back to the entrance. The hardwoods continue throughout the whole house. I love the stair rail treatment and this open light-filled foyer. The primary suite has a fantastic dressing room that circles into the spa bath. You can access both ways with beautiful treatments, beautiful marble, double vanities, stunning shower space, and a water closet. Generously scaled upper level bedrooms plus a wonderful laundry room that's on the upper level for great organization. The light-filled lower level has great entertaining and media space, an unfinished storage area, and a full bath. Enjoy the backyard of this 3/10 of an acre site in the screen porch, mature trees, and a beautiful sunny space. Thanks again for touring Adair, just east of Indiana University. Again, I'm Jeff Franklin, FC Tucker, jeffsells.com.